Hi guys, welcome back to the BMW Guy channel, and today we're going to be doing something a bit different on the channel. We're going to be using Carly for BMW to run a full diagnostic report on my car. I'm going to show you how, and so you guys know what to expect, how to do it, etc. And we'll sort of go through a couple of the Carly features as well. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, so here we are inside. I'm going to be plugging in the Carly adapter. I've glued this little loop of fabric on. I sort of cut a lanyard up and stuck it on because I was having a nightmare trying to get the thing out once it was already in. So we're just going to plug it into the OBD port here. It's a bit of a faff. There we go, that's plugged in now. Now we'll be turning the engine on. Apparently you get the best results when you turn the engine on. So yeah. As you can see, we should now press the button, get some lights illuminated. There we go. We've got a red light there, it doesn't really show up on the camera, but it is red. Now it's time to fire up the tablet. Okay guys, so we're going to fire up the tablet. If I'll find Carly, there we go. Here we are, as you can see. Just booting it up now. Okay, so now we're connected. Now we've booted it up. We're going to connect for Bluetooth. Select Bluetooth there and connect. So we've connected there. Now it's just going to connect to the car, which is now done successfully. I'll just see if I can up the brightness on the tablet. It might make it a bit easier for you guys to see. I'm not sure if that's helped at all, but there we are. So I can get my reflection out of it. Okay, so there we are. So what we're going to do now, we're going to run diagnostics just by selecting diagnostics here, and this brings us on to the diagnostics thing. As you can see, these are all the things it's going to scan, all the different ECU modules, and I know for a fact we're going to get quite a few. That comes with being nearly a 97,000 mile car, and obviously we've got the ABS warning lights here. So there we are. We've already got 2 faults in the first 2 ECUs. So I'll just, oh Christ, now there's 9. I'm going to skip it. Okay guys, so it's about a minute later now, and as you can see we've got 13 faults. Now it may say that the not all of the ECUs have responded. That's okay, that's normal. As you can see, there's 33 ECUs I think on this check. 16 of them responded, and as you can see here are all of my faults. So we've got, I know pretty much all of these here are glow plug module issues, and these are the wheel speed issues which are causing the ABS fault here. So I'm not overly worried. There hasn't been really any new ones. The exhaust batch pressure is because of the stuff, because of the glow plug module, so I'm not too worried there. Here on the brakes we've got more of the ABS issue, but then nothing really. This was because the other day the infotainment system had a bit of a meltdown and stopped working. It's absolutely fine, no issues. And here we have when you try to clear your rear windscreen with water, with the jet, and sometimes the water isn't actually present in the system, so you then get this, or there's a delay in the water, so it just throws this up. So now I'm just going to go over quickly how you clear it. So my one, I literally just click all It selects every single one, as you can see, all the motor ones, and just select start clear. And now, as you can see, the fault has gone. It's just finishing off, and then we should be good to go. There we go, clearing process finished, and we're done. And that's it, guys, for diagnostics. I'm just going to go over another quick feature, which is something you can use to oh, they've changed all this about, so not explaining how it all works. So what I'm now going to do is going to just check my vehicle data and everything. I know for a fact it is, but something you can use when you're buying a BMW. So as you can see here, it's just loading. Okay guys, and there we are. Carly has detected no tampering. I just let it load and that's what it's come up with. It checks your VIN, your mileage, your average speed and other data. So as you can see, the average speed of this vehicle has been 35.5 kilometers, which is about, I'm not even going to attempt to try and convert it. You can see we've got the VIN here, and the mileage. So here's current mileage, or in kilometers. Then it'll show you where sort of your car is indicated in the thing. So that's where my car is. It's sort of in the higher end, but I suppose it's all subject to opinion on what sort of high mileage cars are. But yeah, that's it guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you guys think, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.